Wow, look at all that exploring. Anyway, thank you for joining me. This is my SUR-RON e-bike. I'm Johnny and you're watching Motor Machines, and we are going for basically a little SUR-RON mission. I just wanted to take in the view a little bit. I'm ready now. Christ, he was in a hurry. Oh, oh, oh. Get a little bit of a playground. Oh, they're quite steeper than I thought. Nearly. I just backed off too much. Fair play. Oh no, I don't want to go here. Thought that was something else. Better get out of here before transport police come. Don't want to wreck my wheels too much. Nice grippy stuff. Oh, I'm glad I got up those steps. Is he watching out for me? Yeah, here we are, we're coming up some sort of green lane. It should be quite good up here. Apart from we might have a few walkers out today. Here's one. And there's another. Oh, spoiling my fun, man. I can see more walkers. Oh bollocks, I'll never see them again, will I? Oh, this is nice though. Oh. Look at that, nice and polite, slow down. Thank you. He's like, I'm not going to chase no bike. And there's some, oh my god, some sort of steak head. Look at this. Don't want him to clothesline me. Thank you. He's a big lad. Come on, we need to have some ripping sessions. There's the farmer. Oh. It's going to let me through. Ah, okay. Can I see anyone else? Not at the moment. That means we can give it a bit, although I'm unsure. Whoa, that's a... Oh no, this is a bit of a straight line really. Whoa, road. Dodgy. What's going on here? I want to have a look in there. Looks proper. Nothing in here to do, is there? It's probably the fucking police. Shit. If he's turning, I'm gone. What is this problem? Right away. Slow down a bit here. I'm not sure where there's this grass and that's a bit wet. I can see a bog patch down there. It's not what we want to be seeing today. No sir. Sun's in my eyes. Whoa. Ooh. See someone. Side, do you want to go on in? Alright, cheers. There's a little now. Oh! Another friendly. Oh! Hello? Hey, it's alright. Oh, is he gonna have my leg off? Oh, that's alright, I know what dogs are like. Oh, yeah. What is that banging? Sounds like my battery's flapping around. Oh, I know. You didn't shut your battery lid, finally. See, I've only got, well, not only, but I've got about 59% juice. I've been along a few trails today and they're all just like this. Myself, I prefer some bends and some twists and turns and elevations. But I have an idea. There is a place on my way home that I guarantee is full of walkers. No, that hopefully I can get some good little session, a good little rip anyway. Well, I wouldn't even say that. Nice doggies. Nice doggies. Hi. Alright. Now I'm in a bit of familiar territory. Like I said, a bit. I've done it once, twice maybe. It's just all those little branches. I don't want to catch my bars. Oh yeah, this is what we want, eh? Oh, I've gone the wrong way now. Gone the wrong way. It'll do. Oh. Oh. Tree roots. Oh. But yeah, mud on the tyres and those tree roots are not mixing. Try and get my weight enough down, hit that square one. Bollocks! I ain't got time to faff. Too many walkers, I keep seeing them. Get out of their garden. Right then people, I think I'm going to call it a day there. I've done about 17 miles and I've got 40% battery left and the bike's reasonably clean. So I'm happy with that. I've had a good ride. I found a few new spots and paths and tracks that I can go on with this bike. that's all it's about, having fun and riding your Surron. Maybe you'll consider subscribing, if not, fair enough. Otherwise, thanks for the support and we shall see you in the next one. MOTO Machines out.